If you have stumbled upon this video on YouTube, you are in for generational fucking wealth. And when I say that, I really fucking mean it because not too long ago, I was right here on the left side. My Phantom wallet looked a little bit like this. I don't know if some of you guys could relate, but this was me. I won't even lie, this was me about 3 months ago. And I was pretty miserable. I was, gambling all my Solana away. I was just trenching it out, just being a fucking loser, straight up. That's all I was doing. And I kind of was tired of it, bro. Like, I had nothing else to do but just get on my laptop and see what I could do out of these meme coins because I knew meme coins, people were making money. Like, I would see this right here. I know you guys see this. I know everyone that knows about meme coins has seen these type of screenshots on Instagram, on X, whatever it is, and you just wish that you could trade your way to get there, but it's not going to happen that way, bro. And it took me a while to realize, but the people that really make the fucking money in this industry are the people that are the creators of the coin. Like this. This is me now, bro. I'm able to have my Phantom wallet like this on a weekly basis. Like it really doesn't get easier than that. Why? Because I realized, like I said, that the insiders or the devs, the creators, whatever you guys want to call them, are the ones that get rich on these coins. That's it, plain and simple. So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to become that person and how to get on that side of the meme coin space rather than just gambling your way around and seeing what you could do. You're actually going to create a coin, an actual fucking coin. And no, I'm not talking about no Pump.Fun BS because I know you guys know about Pump.Fun where it's fairly easy to actually go on here and create a coin. It's super easy. Like, it doesn't take like much of a brain to do it. Like, literally a 12-year-old could do it. The thing is with Pump.Fun is that these coins don't really reach high market caps. So no one's really going to take them serious and you're really not going to make a lot of money because these coins are absolute shitter boxes. Like, let's be honest, no one's going to come on here and buy a coin. What people do buy is coins that are on actual, on dexes that are on Radium because Radium shows that it has credibility, that it's legit. Look at this. Look at the market cap on these coins right here. You guys could see these are high level tokens, coins. Like, people are actually going to buy them. So the thing that I'm going to tell you guys later in this video is going to allow you to actually launch a coin on Radium without having to go through all the bullshit and, hire a developer or hire someone that's going to code and do all that, nerdy stuff. You won't have to do all that. You could literally do it with one simple click. I know that sounds crazy, but you could literally do it with one click. I found this insane website. It's called Memefast.fun right there, as you guys could see. And read this right here, boys. Copy trending coins in one singular click. That's fucking insane. Let that process. One click, bro. One click, and you could literally copy a coin that is going insane, that's trending, and you could ride off of the money and make a lot of money right there. Because if you guys know about meme coins, you have to be fast. You have to be able to get in early. Like, for example, over here, like the people that got in right here, or even before that, like they were in early and they sold up here and they made a lot of money. So with this feature, you guys are going to be able to get in on coins like right here. I mean, make coins right here and you could sell up here and that's it. Because that's what those people do. They obviously get in, they buy, they make the coin, they get in there, and then everyone buys, and then they just rug everyone. And before, you would probably buy right here, and you would have to sell over here because you're just being a bot. But now we're actually gonna create the coin, boys. Like, I'm telling you, it's really revolutionary. And I don't know why it took me this long to realize it, but I'm glad I did. So I'm just gonna get straight to it, boys. Remember, the website is going to be called memefast.fun. Like I said, you need to actually connect your Phantom wallet. So right now my Phantom wallet is connected and I'll put a link to this website in the description. But yeah, like these are all trending coins right now. Let me go ahead and refresh it right here, see if any different ones come out. But yeah, like for example, Tate, you guys know right now he's in the States and he's been trending. So, you know, obviously this is going to be King of the Hill. You could actually go on Pump.Fun and it's going to pop out right there. Yeah, this is getting absolutely fucking pumped. So let's go back right here. And if I would want to copy that coin, I would literally create copy coin. So, you know, I know a lot about Kanye is trending. So we're just going to copy a random coin. This is not actually a coin that I'm going to, you know, purposefully launch and do everything on it. I'm just going to do it so I could teach you boys how to actually make money and, you know, become rich. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to spread all the sauce because I'm not a gatekeeper and I like to help everyone get rich. So let's just copy this coin, for example. So look, my Phantom wallet is already connected. I'm going to click create coin. After I create coin, I'm just going to put my password and it's going to ask me a couple of questions that I'm going to go ahead and, or not questions, but look, you'll see. So right here, you're just going to continue. You're going to continue and it should be one more. Right here, you understand and confirm. And just like that, in a couple seconds, my token will actually be created and it will be launched on the Radium DEX, boys. On the fucking Radium DEX. So give it 1 second and I'll show you guys right here because there's one more step before you actually do this. So here's our token address, right? Make sure you copy that and you could actually view it on the Explorer. So it just shows you like the transaction and, you know, all that stuff. It really isn't important, but, you know, if you're a nerd, you could, whatever, use it, jerk off to it, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, so now the next step, very important, you have to create the liquidity pool because once you create the liquidity pool, that basically is saying you have ownership of the coin. And, you know, if you want to take away the liquidity from the token for educational purposes, obviously you're able to do that once you create the liquidity pool. So here on the liquidity pool, we have our token, right? So Chiltate, I copied it, right? Literally the exact same token. I didn't have to do anything, just click one button and I'm going to put max right there. And right here, I usually recommend people to do 0.3 to 1 SOL, but for this video, we're just going to do 0.3. So once you create the liquidity pool, you will actually be able to see your token on the Radium DEX right here. So you'll be able to see it. This is just a random one that I clicked on, but yeah, boys, I mean, there really isn't anything else to it that's more difficult than that. Obviously, when it's time where you want to stop being greedy and, you know, take your money, you could, you know, have the luxury to just go ahead and go back there and remove liquidity. It doesn't get any harder than that. And I just want to tell you guys that I do appreciate all the support. And if you guys have any questions, I'm going to have a link to my Telegram where you guys can reach out to me. And I'm doing another giveaway where the last winner won 1 whole SOL. All you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and share my video with 50 people. And you'll be entered in a giveaway to win 1 whole SOL that I'll be giving away on my Telegram. So make sure you guys send me proof. And for now, just keep rugging, boys, and keep making a lot of money.